and it all starts here. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel! New day, new crafts. Have you ever wondered what to do with the only glass left in the set? In the trash? No! Let's create something awesome! So, we will need empty plastic bottle, the shape of your choice. Cut to the desired length. I use scissors, but you can use a knife if you prefer. This is the form we will work with. We are making a cut. Why? You will find out later. Of course you will find out. Using construction tape, seal what we cut. All this preparation will be necessary for further actions. When everything is ready, we can start working on our wonderful creation. Yeah, right. You can use gypsum or concrete. I will use gypsum today. Add some water and create a fairly liquid consistency. More water, mix everything well. And disaster is very close. Now we put everything in our prepared form. And let's see if that will be enough. No, we need to add more. Or maybe not. It dries very quickly, so we have to work fast. Dries quickly, haha. Alright, so this was supposed to be a simple, cute little DIY. Just a bit of gypsum, a glass, some creativity. What could possibly go wrong, right? Well, everything. I mixed the gypsum, poured it in, feeling like a true artist. And then I waited and waited and waited. The gypsum never set. It was soft. It just didn't dry. It was like playing with a pancake batter. Total disaster. So guess what? Yep, back to the square one. Scrap it all off, cleaned up the mess, cried a little inside, and started all over again. And this time I made a cardboard mold. Hey, that's DIY life. Attempt number 2, because we are not giving up that easy. I decided to start all over again, full of hope that this time everything would go smoothly. Honestly, I'm not sure what went wrong. Maybe it was the mix, maybe the universe was just not on my side. But hey, fingers crossed, I'm staying positive and I really hope that this one turns out great. More waiting again. And you won't believe it, just a few hours later it had hardened. I was so happy, even though the final result wasn't exactly what I had planned in the beginning. But that's okay. Once I added some accent with filler and gold paint, threw in a few planned details. The candle holder turned out amazing. Even if it turned out differently, I like it. And maybe this whole thing isn't about DIY at all. Maybe it's about not giving up. Big thanks to everyone who stuck with me on this total disaster ship that maybe, just maybe, turned out even better than planned. We'll never really know, but one thing's for sure. I'll see you in the next video. Take care, guys. Bye!